She'll be buzzing because she's not.
She won't get anything.
No, that's it. It's done.
You have it on sound? I don't have it on sound. They were coming out right good over down into the house.
The light show though.
Oh yeah, good lights are. Lightning bolts, all right.
It was, the longest one was 6 at a time.
Normally we don't have lightning bolts because they down on the ground. We have to go across the sky.
That's why it's a sign of a tornado.
I mean, we had about 50 come right on down his house before usually was over.
Yeah? Knock anything down or then?
Well, I mean, come on, I don't know how far they are. The last one, it's done. That's it. You heard that boom.
Wow.
I'm waiting to hear sirens.
Down, and that was the could hit the house, could hit a street, blew the street up.
Well, you can blow streets up? Oh yeah, 'cause the lightning comes from the ground.
Remember, it's, they kill you down and you watch if electric gets run out. Oh, your electric went up today.
I got it. Where's Chris for doing that?
But what happened? The gas company,
Where is the flashlight?
back porch, I never flashed. It's on the back porch. The shelf, the bookshelf. And the gas company didn't. To raise the gas, that's when we got the gas raised before the rest of it. Right now we got the rest of it. They got us before the winter, now they're going to put it in. 12%?
You're probably talking about what, another day?
What's the top of that? Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know.
It's stopping. Oh!
Stop it, you missed that one.
Yeah, I got the bottom.
You got it.
Yeah, bring it to the tower. He'll be fine. There's no windows up there. He'll be fine. Nothing's gonna get him. It's all closed in.
Tell him just to go get shampoo and take a shower out here.
What?
Said get shampoo and conditioner and take a shower out here.
Out here. Get it?
Real nice.
No, I'm saying because like it's raining.
Make sure the camera doesn't get wet.
Yeah, you can build it.
No,
Outside.
outside. The lighting is structured over.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah, but that was in the background of the video.
Alright, somebody has a not Newport cigarette.
How do you know it's a Newport cigarette?
Because mommy smokes it and it's not Newport. No, it's not. I told you I was going to hear sirens.
Wow, this is the first time they went off. I figured they went off after they hit that big boom.
There's flashing lights before.
The floods just started hitting and everything else started hitting.
Ooh, Danielle, you had to get that one.
Was there a bolt?
That was the way.
Mine would be move away, you know what I'm saying?
There you go. Missed it.
Where is it?
Got it?
Oh my God, you're telling it?
Am I getting the right spot?
I don't know, just hold.
I'm holding up in the...
There you go. It'll come down now.
Something on the past flooded or something.
No, I think that's the transformer.
Yeah, I think something
Well,
blew.
that couldn't have been around us because we'd go out and...
No, but I'm saying the last big boom, the sun hit.
Yeah, that's when the phone went staticky. That sounded like an explosion, the last thunder. Like not, like when I was inside.
Where?
Avenue.
They're going from Avenue. Guys up on the check.
Yeah, you're right, it is going south. Guess who I'm setting this one to?
Getting quieter. Simmering down now. All of a sudden you hear a big popper.
No, that's not down now. They just bid.
They're going?
They go further away. Put it down Route 1 someplace. One down that way.
Now the Newport Fort.
Sorry, baby.
Yeah, I go to early.
Think it's safe, of course. What do you think, Glenn? Am I safe?
Yeah.
Yeah, she goes, but I said, you bastard, you should have been here with me. Nah. I
Right,
Right, you're gonna say, I don't want to talk on the phone.
Tell her to come over.
Are you alright? Oh, I'm shitting in my pants over here. Oh man, I wanted to go over there, but this right now we're over here on their back porch. And it's like
Picnic table.
yeah. No, now Wendy's here, and then Danielle's there, and she's filming the lightning and shit, like, you know. I mean, this is it. There's a lot of light shows. I mean, I'm moving. I mean,
I wish lightning was in different colors.
I was afraid to move from.
He was glued.
Yeah, you want to get off the phone? Looks like it's calming down. Oh, really? You leaving? All right, be careful. Send me on the computer. Hey, I think so.
No.
Holy shit! Bye bye. Oh man.
Where's she going?
She still doesn't want to be on the phone.
Oh.
No, I don't know she had to
No,
So what you saying? You're leaving? Where's she going in this shit?
So maybe she had to take it to the motion.
No,
I don't know.
Well, I mean, you're leaving and you're getting off the phone.
Hey, hon? How long has that been?
It's 7 minutes right now.
Oh, well, you got any choices?
Nope, as many pictures as you have on here.
Well, you're using all up.
Yeah, but I got 200.
Right, so we got that
There you go.
one.
You see that one? Now, that's further away though, now. They're on top of us.
Loud still.
No, the last two, three was when he was sitting there when she was out. That was right on top of the house.
What's the town right below? Like, it's us, Woodbridge, and someone else. Who's that?
It makes me a little nervous, that loud.
No, us, Woodbridge, and then the person. That's where it is.
That would be a powerful plan.
I got that.
You got that?
Yeah. But
Well, it's powerful
The
plan.
only thing else is they got to treat it
Unless it's direct. Unless it's direct, if you hit that thunder.
it's not gonna hit the transformer.
I mean, I've been here 19 years.
Did it do that? Hit somebody right there close by you?
Yeah, it goes right through you.
It'll leave you all right, right?
Yeah, it goes right through you.
If you touch that person.
If he touches you, yes, it will.
Just like a whole
They all go together.
No, I can't do that.
You're so huddled by tires.
Support. One of them satisfied. One's well grounded, who's well grounded, so we have rubber around us.
But
I got my stickers
We got
on.
stickers on, that's about it.
hey, we don't have metal in here, right?
It's all wicker. Wicker? Oh, I got one to a bed here, but.
Oh, you got aluminum. I mean, I got plastic here. So.
Do you know that if a tornado comes, this is the way you'll be saved? If you go like this, and you go like, bend down like this, and put your hands over your head, and you
Okay, yeah.
balance like that.
You have to go down the south side of the, south side of the basement, and open up the wall of the window.
Right, that's enough taping.